Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna tell you about vernier caliper, and also I will tell you how to find the diameter of a solid cylinder by vernier caliper. So this is a diagram of a vernier caliper, and I will tell you the parts of it which are labeled as you can see. So these two above jaws are known as the upper jaws, and these two jaws are known as the lower jaws. The back scale, this is a centimeter scale, it is known as main scale, and it is fixed scale, it's not movable, while this is the vernier scale, which is movable. This is the object we place in the lower jaws for measuring the diameter or the length, and this is the screw, or we can say lock, to fix the object so that it does not fall down. And as you can see, this rod is coming out from here. This is the depth scale. It usually measures the depth of any hollow object, and the minimum value of an instrument can measure is known as least count. And vernier caliper is used to measure diameter or length. It gives the actual measurement of small objects, and the main scale keeps reading in the cm. This is the main scale, it keeps reading in the in cm, and the main scale is fixed scale, and vernier scale is measured in division. This is the main scale, this is measured in divisions, as you can see 0, 5, 10. And upper jaws, these two jaws find the internal diameter of any object, while the lower jaws find the external diameter of an object, while upper jaws are also smaller in size than the lower jaws. And so the formula of least count means how we can calculate the least count is LC, we'll write it as LC is equals to small measurement on MS, means main scale, and it should be divided by total number of divisions on VS or vernier scale. So we can find out the least count by this formula. I'll give you an example. For example, if the small measurement on main scale is 0.1, the total number of divisions on vernier scale are 20. So we'll divide them, we'll get the answer 0.005 cm. So then I'll tell you how to find out that reading. So MS means main scale, and it is measured in cm, and it is denoted by R. Then we have the vernier scale. It is measured by divisions, and it is denoted by N. Then we have the fractional part, so it's a fractional part. It is also measured in cm, and it is noted by X, and is equals to N into LC, or least count, and then the total reading, and it is measured in cm, and this is like T is equals to X plus R. So we'll take an example. So we have an example that if we take 0.9 on the main scale, the reading on main scale is 0.9, and the reading on vernier scale is 8. Yeah, one main thing in mind, that on the vernier scale, if you get 4 divisions, we'll double it, and we'll take 8 as our reading. We'll not take 4, we'll double it up. Okay, so remember this is very important, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. And so then we will multiply, as you can see, N multiplied by LC. So the least count was 0.005, and N or vernier scale reading is 8, and this will be X. So we will get 0.04 as our answer over here as fractional part. And now for the total reading. So X plus R means X is the fractional part and R is the reading on the main scale. So what was X? It was 0.04, and we'll add this 0.9 main scale reading. R we denoted and so we'll get the answer 0.94 cm. So 0.94 cm would be the total reading. So we get to know now. Now you all will be knowing that how to find out the diameter of a solid cylinder by vernier caliper. So guys, that was all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.